There we go. Oh, that's gonna be fun to sharpen. Oh well. That's gonna be pretty easy. Seen someone playing sandpaper? A little bit on the toe, a little bit on the heel. Not that much to get rid of. Cool. So there you have it, a restoration on this Ohio Tools 5.5. If you want to see more information on this, I have an entire video where I go into this in detail and I talk about it step by step. And I'll leave several other videos on how to restore planes down below if you want to see those as well. This, some people are going to say I didn't take it far enough and I should have shined it up and made it look really pretty. And some people are going to say I took it too far and I ruined the collector's value on it. Well, an Ohio Tools 5.5 really isn't that much of a collector's tool. I bought this for like 25 bucks at a Midwest tool collector's meet because it was rusted and needed a lot of work. And I like to keep a little bit of the patina. You can still see some of the speckling on it. You can still see some of the age. But with so much of the Japanning gone, it was nice to really clean it down and put on a whole new coat of Japanning. And I really like how this came out. It's just shiny and nice and very, very happy. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What do you think I should do? If you do want to see more detail on restoring hand planes, I have a whole bunch of videos on those. And then I have another video on the second channel where I go into detail talking through this step by step and what all is in that. So take a look at the links down in the description below. If you did like the video, please hit like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell. Think about becoming a patron on Patreon. Click the join button down below. There are so many ways you can show your love, and every one of them really does help out the channel, so thank you for that. And I think that's about it for today. Until next time, have a wonderful day. It's so shiny, just like my head.